Making $1 million in 2025 is a realistic goal with the right mindset, strategies, and tools. Here's how to turn your dream into reality. Scalability is crucial to reaching $1 million quickly. Focus on models that allow exponential growth without proportional increases in costs. Consider these scalable options: e-commerce, digital products, subscription services, consulting, or freelancing. Identify and dominate a lucrative niche to maximize profitability. Research market demand using tools like Google Trends. Effective marketing is the backbone of any $1 million business. Focus on social media, content marketing, SEO, and influencer partnerships. A recognizable brand builds trust and attracts customers. Connect with your audience through authentic storytelling. Automate and outsource to focus on growth. Incorporate marketing automation and hire freelancers for repetitive tasks. Use analytics tools to refine your strategies. Gather customer insights and track performance metrics. Diversification protects against market fluctuations. Launch additional products, form affiliate partnerships, or invest profits. Happy customers are loyal customers. Focus on exceptional support, engagement, and retention strategies. Surround yourself with ambitious individuals. Engage in mastermind groups and online communities for support. The path to $1 million requires persistence. Be willing to adapt to changes in market trends and stay committed. Making $1 million in 2025 is not just a goal, it's a process. Follow these tips to create a scalable business and invest in your growth.